Guys, I gotta do a quick video on this. I can't believe how good this setup is. BBAI is dropping after hours here. This is a really nice setup here from the after hour drop. We did roughly right now a 6% drop, but let me show you guys everything real quick as the market closes at 8 p.m. You will have to do an extended hour order here. But I was mentioning, when you're in an uptrend, as you can see on the daily chart, the EMA 50 is at the very bottom, and you can see this thing has been constantly going up and up and up and up. It's very good as the supports has been very good. As you can see right here, we can go from this upper channel and come all the way back down to this EMA 20. And that's where we're at right now. I love when you skip this many EMAs. And you can always average down here on the EMA 52. As you can see here, went here and made massive gains. This is keeping it very easy to see what's your demand zone. 60% gain from this EMA 50. All right, so we're coming into a crucial area. The reason why I like this is, one, we skipped the 5. Didn't really have a decent bounce. It was just all right, 7%. And we went to the 10 and totally skipped it. And now we're on the 20 on the daily chart. And if you coincide that, we're on the weekly EMA 5 here. But that's not exactly just why I like this stock here. Here is the kicker of everything to this thing. So, the price is 727. The daily EMA 20 is located at 684. The weekly is located at 707. So 680 to 707 is your load zone. We are almost in that load zone. If you miss it out, it's coming right here. Maybe it might come back into this $7 range for you. But here's the reason why I really like this. Look at these option chains. This is gonna blow your freaking mind, right? So let's say you get 100 shares. So we'll do our calculator. We buy it at $7. So 100 times 7 is going to cost you $700. And you can own 100 shares for $700. Well, let's say you have a little bit more budget and you want to own 1,000 shares. So 1,000 times the $7 is going to cost you 1,000 is going to cost you roughly 7 grand. So you could put 7 grand into this. Now watch. I know it's basic math here. We're doing 1,000 shares, only costing you 7 grand. We can go into this 21 February, second day, literally in 2 days. We can go in here and go ahead and click calls. And if you guys know my cover call strategy, you know how beast this is. So we can go, if you have a $7 average, which it is after hours right now, you can click the 7.5 strike. And not only if this goes above 7.5 by the end of Friday, you have to sell your shares, but you make it from that $7 average, you get 50 cents on that, and you get another 50 cents on this premium here, which is selling at 55. Now, it's going to open up tomorrow. It's going to probably be even higher, actually. Do keep in mind, because this is after hours. They're not anticipated this drop here, so this premium is going to be way higher. But let's just say, theoretically, it's still at 55. So we can do, $7,000 is going to cover that. We can get, with $7,000 at 55-cent premium on the bid, we collect right here on the graph $385. You can see on this max profit. So basically what that does is you're decreasing your average by another 55 cents. So if you buy it at $7, well, now you have it at 6.45 technically, because you're collecting that $385. And then if it goes above 755 or 750, which is your strike, you have to sell that by the end of Friday if it goes above. If it is below 7.5, well, you keep your shares and you can sell more cover calls for the next week, right? And then you can go and be like, okay, well, then I want to go $9 out. And now look, I can lower my average by $1. So, I mean, this is insane. So let's say we do $1, right? And we have 7 contracts. So now keep in mind, we already sold 55 cents. Now our average is technically 6.45. If we sell it for $1 for the next week, and this is all happening within like a week time frame. This is like 11 days here. Well, now your average now is 5.45. You get the math here? When you sell premium covered calls, you reduce your average by that premium. And guess how much you get for this one? $700. Just with a 7 grand account. So just on the premium alone, you're making the $300 for this Friday on just premium. And keep in mind, this premium is going to be higher coming into tomorrow, because it's an after hours drop. So what happens is the premium goes up. Because you cover calls, you want the premium to go down and to collect it all, right? But if the price goes down, I mean, yeah, down, the premium's going to go up. But basically what happens, the price goes down, the premium goes down. But when price goes up, the premium goes up. So yeah, I got that a little confused with it. I mean, but basically what's happening is you're selling these covered calls and you're getting your premium lower. So let's keep an eye on what this premium is today. This is a really good entry, guys. Even at this 721, I think right here we're at the solid support. We got rid of the 5 to 10. And worst case scenario, and not even a worst case, let's say this just pumps up to $8. Well, you have to sell at 7.5, but you collected more, you collected so much premium that it doesn't even matter. So I really like this. I didn't really see how much liquidity was in this option chain until now. This is looking, I'm so excited. Oh my gosh, even a small account makes bank. Let's just say, let's say you have, you want to do 10 grand, right? Well, you can see right here, you're making five. Let's say you want to, 10 grand is a lot. Probably everyone usually has, let's say $2,000 you have. Well, you collect that fast $100, and then you go into the next week that I want to sell cover calls in, and, you can do the same strike, and you can see right here, you do 2 contracts. So you collect that plus this extra 200. So I mean, it's a strategy for anything. So you make money when price goes up, and you make money when price goes down. You win in all directions. Obviously you don't want it to keep going down and down, but you can literally just keep selling covered calls and reducing your average. So right here from 7 to 6, 6 to 5, and it just goes down with price. As long as it doesn't just do a V-shape down, and just, but you got to understand is these are big EMA levels. They're probably going to consolidate or bounce up in these areas. It can very easily go like this to this EMA 20, which is right now after hours, and go back up. So we'll see. Or it can just go sideways and you make money on your covered calls. I'm going to do another video on that. I'm getting excited with all this. I love it. I have a video on my swing trading education, how to sell covered calls. I think everyone needs to watch it. I go in depth more in this. But just the thing to where is every time you sell premium, you lower your average like that. A lot of people think like, hey, I can only make money if price goes up. That is not true. With a stock like BBAI, if it has option chains every week, there's lots of liquidity. I can go here, as long as I have 100 shares, I can sell 1 covered call. If I have 500 shares, I can sell 5. Every time I get that premium, if it says I get a credit of $500, I get that instantly. Then it reduces my average. That's why it technically reduces your average. So this is a really nice strategy. BBAI is coming into demand zone. We're coming right here in this area at the $6.87. $6.80 to $7 is your buy zone. I don't think we're going to go lower than that. Even if it does, you can just sell your covered calls and you're golden. It's a cheaper price stock. I like it. Everything looks good, guys. Just want to release this video real quick. If you guys, I learned a lot of plays already. I'm in one play already in covered calls. So take it how you want, but this is a really good one. So hope you guys liked the video. If you guys want to join the Discord, learn more about this, I give you guys exact screenshots, what I'm doing, everything that you need to know. Click the link down below in YouTube comments below in the description. It'll say join the premium Discord for my alerts. It'll take you to this free chat landing page. If you want to become a more advanced trader and learn how you can win in many directions, this is what I love teaching. These are the kind of plays that I love. They have options. They have, they have big trends happening. We could go into the support zones, and we don't even have to have the most precise entry, and that's how we can win. That's the kind of trading I love. You have more room for error and more room to make money. I posted this in the premium chat, telling everyone which one I would do. So, yeah. Definitely join the Discord. For this promotional video, I'm going to give you guys a lifetime of an offer. $12 a month. You can all get in. Doesn't matter. It'll never go up in price. I'm going to keep it that there forever. It might go up in the future, but if you get in now, you can get it for a lifetime. Click how to subscribe. Easiest way to subscribe is hit day trade alerts right here, and it will get you into the promotion. And if you do subscribe, do it on your computer to avoid the iOS fee. If you are having an Android, you have to do it on your computer. If you don't have a computer, do read how to subscribe. There's another way to do it. You just basically use your phone's browser. But and if you're not from the US, it might charge a little extra for the currency exchange fee. But I just want to hurry up and get this out. I'm really bullish on this. As you can see, every level has been, respected here. We got a nice bounce here on the 5. We made massive money. Got close enough to the 10 where it bounced pretty big. And now we're at this skipping the EMA. I love the skipping EMA strategy where you skip the 10 and go to the 20 and expect a big bounce. This has massive volume. Over 58 million, 59, 84. So you can you can assure that there's bulls coming in, bears coming in. There's lots of balance. There's not a lot of there's not low volume stocks where it can be manipulated and just come crashing down. You can expect that new bulls, are going to come in and push this up, all right? And we hit this lower ATR4 after hours on the 15-minute. That was a beautiful buy zone. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Join the Discord. You won't regret it. It's very affordable. You'll learn different unique strategies like this. What I plan to do, I look at these option chains, and when I see premium like this, I do not want to miss out on this, guys. All right, guys, happy trading. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out.